down here where we keep our mostly our holiday lights because I store. What I found is when we put up Christmas lights, man, if you let people keep their own lights, dude, when you come back next year, there's missing stuff and they're all broken, and it's just one of those things that I charge them like
So you do.
$10. Sorry, go ahead.
I said, so you do that too, huh? You install lights, Christmas lights.
Yeah, we do. What happened was I've kind of found that my pesticide application guys like that need something to do, and holiday lights kind of fills that gap, and it also gives us just something to do in January, taking them down because it gets really slow for guys who are doing leaves in January. But basically, we just store Christmas totes. You know what I mean? So the way we do Christmas lights is we charge the customer the first year to purchase and build the lights, and then we also charge them the first year to put the lights up and take them down. And then in subsequent following years, we just charge them to put the lights up and take them down. We do free service calls on our lights up until Christmas Day. As of Christmas Day, we're not going to be coming out to fix any lights. So we charge $10 per storage tote required, which is basically the cost of the tote. I'm not making money off storage, but I store it because I want to avoid the headache of missing extension cords or broken light bulbs and who's responsible for them. Since we store it, we're responsible. So if there's any problems with the lights, we take care of it. Typically, we'll honor our install takedown price for 3 years is what I tell customers, and after that I may change it. Truth is, if it's a good customer, I'm probably going to leave it, unless like we're really just losing our butts, then I might adjust it. But for the most part, I'm not trying to get rich off of doing lights. I know there's really good money in it if you want to get rich off of it, but I'm not trying to get rich off anything I do. I try to just keep my guys steady and just keep a steady income coming in for myself and for my team, and that's kind of why I got into lights. That's